it's been more than a week since the suspended Attorney General, Ken Paxton, was last seen in court. He's pleaded not guilty to all 16 articles of impeachment, but we are hearing from a special prosecutor who testified that Paxton's team fired him without paying thousands of dollars he was owed. Jason Wheeler has been in Austin to catch us up to speed.
We are expecting this to be an especially busy and crucial day for the prosecution and the defense in the Ken Paxton impeachment trial as their time is quickly running out. This after we heard from a key witness for much of the day yesterday.
In 2020, lawyer Brandon Cammack said he was hired as a special prosecutor by Attorney General Ken Paxton to look into legal complaints made by Paxton donor and friend Nate Paul.
It was convincing. It was persuasive, and he agreed with that.
Cammack says he got involved in criminal and civil cases involving Nate Paul, along the way investigating law enforcement, business interests, and more.
Did you have any knowledge one way or the other that some of the people that you were sending subpoenas to were opposing counsel to Mr. Paul in civil litigation? Did you know that?
No, sir.
Cammack told the Senate jury that every step of the way he sent Paxton updates, including a frantic one when U.S. Marshals showed up at his office during his investigation on behalf of Nate Paul.
I called Mr. Paxton, blowing his phone up. Like, why are there U.S. Marshals at my office?
Cammack said that while working for Paxton, the AG wanted to communicate with him on an encrypted messaging app and that he used non-governmental encrypted email. He shared that he only saw the official AG email address when Paxton's senior managers sent him a message demanding he stop his work. But he said in meetings with Paxton, including at Nate Paul's house, the AG told him to press on.
In the back of my mind, I'm like, yeah, right, I'm not doing anything else.
He wasn't. Around the time Paxton's senior team reported him to the FBI, Cammack says Paxton and others took him to a nearby cafe where he was told his contract was over, that he would have to eat the $14,000 unpaid invoice for his work.
Are you saying that these guys took you over to a Starbucks outside the office, terminated your contract, told you weren't going to get paid, and then drove off, and if you hadn't said, wait, I got my car, they'd have left you in the street?
That's what it looked like.
This may be the final full day of testimony before both sides run out of time sometime on Thursday, then give their closing arguments and turn this whole thing over to the Senate jury. In Austin, I'm Jason Wheeler.
Be sure to stay with us as investigative reporter Tanya Iser and a team of political experts provide context on testimony and closing arguments. You can watch our trial coverage on our streaming app, WFAA+, and if you're on the go, you can find it on YouTube and WFAA.com.